So today we're going to take a look at how you can use currency signs in Excel and basically make your money totals into currency. It's pretty simple. All we want to do is highlight what we want to turn into currency, or you can just do the whole row, but we're just going to highlight the currency we have here. Then on your home bar up here, we are going to go across here to currency or accounting number format. See here, it's like a little piece of paper money, like a dollar bill and some coins. I'm going to click the drop down arrow, and we've got a few options here. We've just got the pound for, because I'm in the UK, we've got the euro, we've got the dollar for the United States, but let's say you live in a different country, we can click more accounting format, and we can see here that we have all sorts of other countries' money. And one of the cool interesting things is if you don't actually want the thing, because obviously some of these all look the same, you can scroll down a bit further, and you start seeing here that we also have the abbreviations for these. So like for pound, we have GBP. You can select whichever one you want. For the purposes, I'm just going to use the pound symbol default. But you can select those, and as you can see here, once you've selected, everything comes into line with the decimals. So like that one, the fuel one that we had, we didn't put the decimal on it, but now we have. You can see that everything goes into decimals. And if we want to change it, we easily change it to dollars, back to pounds, so you can change it to euros if we wanted to. So that's just simple how to put the currencies on. Sometimes it's just easier to look at numbers. Even though they're still numbers, it's just easier to look at them with the currency signs when dealing with money. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.